Watchdog. Monitor the voice input. The instant ACK gives you the best bang for the buck. It solves the perceived slowness without changing the architecture. What do you think?
Well, no, I don't like it.
Sorry,
no, I don't like
that came through
That's
garbled
just a
again.
Quick workaround.
Can you?
Yeah, no. So here's the deal. I don't like that solution because I'm not looking to satisfy me that the audio has been received. I actually want to increase the speed of the whole process. So I think option 2 or 3 is actually better.
Got it. You don't want a band-aid acknowledgement, you want the actual end-to-end speed to be faster. So option 2, the Whisper Watchdog to keep STT fresh, and option 3, Auto Handoff to keep Claude Code sessions lightweight. Those both attack real latency. We could do both. The Watchdog is straightforward to build. The Auto Handoff is more impactful but trickier. Want me to create tasks for both, or which one do you want to tackle first?
Just the first one. We already have some complexity in our handoff triggering, so let's not mess with that right now.
Okay, Whisper Watchdog first. Let me create a task for it. The idea is a monitor that watches the voice input process memory usage and auto-restarts it when it crosses a threshold. I'll spec it out and spawn a dev agent on. Good question. Yes, if we restart mid-conversation there's a risk of dropping audio that was being processed by Whisper at that moment. A few ways to handle that. First, we can check if the user is currently speaking before restarting. The voice activity state tracks that. Second, we could buffer the last few seconds of audio and replay it into the fresh Whisper instance after restart. Third, the simplest approach, only restart during idle periods, when there's been no speech for say 10 seconds. That way we never cut anyone off. I'd go with option 3, only restart during silence gaps. What do you think?
I think I'm going to have to go to lunch, so I need to wrap this up. So why don't you just write that as a note to memory? Write that as a note
Dev agent
to
spawned on
memory.
task 460. It's work.
Yeah, keep some notes for the future. Looks like I might have something in front of my capture session. Yeah, keep some notes because I'm going to have to log off for right now, and then when I return, we will...
That came through garbled again. Were you asking me to keep notes on something? Can you repeat?
I was asking you to take the notes on your proposal just now because I'm going to have to leave and I want to make sure that we have it when we get back. You can write it as an insight or you can write it as an MD file, but I'll be back in a...
Done. I already saved it as Insight I-143. The full proposal is captured, the 2 root causes, the 3 options we discussed, your preference for options 2 and 3, the silence gap constraint, and task 460 is already running. It'll all be here when you get back.
Okay, awesome. Talk to you later.